say never. Show them. Show her what you're made of. Show her the stuff you're made of. She knows how to dance, yes, but never say never. Are you ready? Are you ready now? Ladies and gentlemen, let's go there. DJ, turn it up, let's go. To ask a question. So who is it? You are from Long Beach. Anambra. You're from Anambra. Where are you from? You're from Jamaica. Listen to me. Make sure you get married to another man. You get why. Alright. So when they ask you for your number, don't tell me you have a boyfriend. Now you are single. Are you ready? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, right about now, let's watch the next couple dancing. Let's go. Hey, my brother. Hello, son of man, come. When all your mates finish dancing, did they hug anybody? When all your mates finish dancing, did they hug their fellow men? Did they hug their... And somebody for them, I don't say where you hug. Thank you. I like the way the girls do. They're great. So where are you from? Which state? Imo State. Where are you from?
Dominican.
Oh, you are from Dominican. That's where I'm from too. Dominican Street. And Dominican. Let's see who's going to be the winner. So DJ, let's go.
Trás.
Obi, this is a perfect combination. Vanessa, what do you think? Okay. All right. What's her name? Chinedu. What's her name? Alexis. Where are you from?
Imo State.
Imo State. Where are you from? From America. You were
Born in New York.
Oh, you were born in New York. Wow, you are the brother of the bride. You were born in New York. Wow, even me too. You did not. I was born in New York. Are you me? Am I you? Is it or New York? All right, so they are New Yorkers. They are New York and say New York. New York. Which street in New York? Maybe you ask street in New York. Which street? Alright, so right now, let's watch Imo State versus the America. Let's go, DJ! DJ! Make some noise! Wow. Thank you. Oh, man, I'm going to tell you what's happening. What's her name? Francis. Yes. It is friend. Okay. So, what you people are going to do for me now, you people are going to dance, alright? It's a face-off, right? So, you people are going to dance. So, another where are you from? This is a new business man. The business club, whatever pass, all our alright, so right now, we are going to dance. You told me your name, but seriously, I did not hear it, and I'm not planning to hear it. Don't come and stress me. So right now, one of you are going to do a face-off, alright? I think you people are the last people now, right? Right? Yes. So right now, DJ, set it up for them. I'm so sorry. Oh, you people are finally changed the night away. Thank God most of you are not from Nigeria, so the way you are chasing men away, Nigerian guys don't know that. We don't chase men away. We draw them close. My sister, am I speaking your mind? Alright, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, the couple will come down and join them. Yes. So I'm just placing to the girls in the
come from far, wide, and near. Thank you very much for gracing this occasion with your presence. It's going to be our biggest desire to ensure that the memories of this day do not remain on this one day, April the 19th, but extend over a lifetime of Vanessa and I remaining in love with each other. So thank you very much to the Oguri family for providing us with this beautiful and intelligent wife. Thank you very much. Also, broadly taking the amazing people as well. Thank you very much. The Suji family, thank you very much for your presence. The Nazi community in general also want to thank you. There are way too many families that we would like to extend our thanks to. Not limited to the Abobus, the Manufors, the Swilis, the Bremers, Omodias, one of the Wadu family, the past, and also I want to thank especially our friends that have come from very far and wide to be part of this occasion. Not limited to Albert, Coco, Darius, Henry, Chris, Ledu, thank you, and over to the bright side of the house, Ravina, Nina, Alexis, Patrick, Chantel, Lokeda, and also Alanis. Thank you very much. This is like I said, so many names to mention. I would also like to extend a great, appreciation to our sister, because you're switching. Because you're busy. Because you're busy. I'll be fine for that one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Like I said, way too many names to mention. We are very grateful, and we hope that we get a chance to meet everyone individually to extend our thanks. Thank you.